Hi, this is Maria. Today's project is very beautiful. We're going to work on a rainbow mandala scene. So we will trace the rainbow mandala and the clouds and the sun. For this tutorial, you need an A5 white paper, a compass, a protractor, 12-inch ruler, a pencil, eraser, and you need a set of rainbow colors. You can either use gel pens like I'm using, or you can use regular drawing pens. First, trace the mandala grid. For more information about how to trace it, you can check the video that I have shared with you in the description box below or on the top right of the screen. The circles right here are separated by 1 centimeter radius each. So we start with 1 centimeter radius center and we end with 9 centimeter radius circle. Starting your petal from the summit of one diamond and ending it on the summit of the second diamond. After you have finished tracing the petals, retrace the circle and color the empty spaces outside of the petals with the same color you're using. Put a small dot on the bottom of each petal. Then I trace an arc inside of the diamond and put petals on it to turn it into a small flower, and inside of the flower bud I fill it with dots, and then I retrace the circle, and then I fill the empty spaces between the outline of the shape and the circle with the same color I'm using. And then I add a double outline on the top of the petal. Then I add a dot, I close the circle, and I fill the empty spaces with yellow. Proceed with the rest of the rows, adding petals and arcs and decorating them. Try to work on your own creativity. You don't have necessarily to follow the path I'm doing or the designs that I'm doing. Once you're done, get a fine pen, a gray one, and start sketching the clouds. And inside of the clouds, we will decorate them with spirals. And then at one of the corner sides, upper corner sides of the paper, trace a few circles, few curves, and make it the sun. So this is it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. As you see, I have added a number of curves using the light blue to represent the sky, so you can get as creative as you want. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you next time.